What's going on, guys? I'm really happy to talk about this new protocol called, I'm really, what's going on, guys? I'm really happy to talk about this new website called freepulse.io. It's absolutely amazing. And at first, I thought it just lets you get free pulse, but it does so many more things. And let's get into it. What's going on, y'all? My name is 𝘕𝘰𝘯𝘕, and I truly appreciate you for being here with me because you're watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. So, freepulse.io, just go to this website, and its original its original purpose. Hold on one second. Let me make sure that this thing can float. Its original purpose was to allow you to get free pulse and therefore use this free pulse to do transactions, to do the test net, do different things like that. But after I started using it, I discovered that it has so many more features that are like, I couldn't believe that it has so many features that are available. So the first thing that you want to do is after you go to freepulse.com is you want to click on the login with MetaMask. And I'm going to tap my password. Let me see if you can use it. To unlock it, you have to sign in to the PulseChain network, and then you have to do the I am not a human being thing, I am not a robot thing, seaplane, verify. And every single time that you log onto this website, you get free pulse coin. Every single time you log into this website, you get free pulse coin. As you saw, I just got one free pulse coin for being number 2,962. Okay, so that's the first thing that we're gonna do. There's a what is it, 78% chance that you will get one PulseChain coin. What's that? 15% chance that you get 71, so on and so forth. There's one person that every single day they get 1.4 million PulseChains, which is absolutely a lot. I think that's worth like $141 every single day. That's really good so far, and it's only going to increase in the future. So as we scroll down on this website, we see Pulse33.com is the best meme coin on PulseChain. I guess it's an advertisement. They have the website, the Twitter, the Telegram for that coin. 2 dedicated pools are already live. These are pools that allow you to get free PulseChain. The first pool is called freepulse.pool.com. The second is called Free Carpet Ride. Okay, they already collected over $269,000, and you can join them right now. They're pools where you can donate and you can receive free coins and different things like that. They just allow you to have the PulseChain ecosystem work as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Okay, hold on one second. So, slide up in here. So what we're gonna do is we read right here that this is a beta. We use this for testnet, right? It's not 100% done yet, but it's a beta and you use it for testing right now. Eventually, when PulseChain comes out, eventually this will be available for everyone to use. So it's not gonna be in beta state anymore. You can go to this website and it's a flow chart of how you can use PulseChain with free pulse and read more into it. The details are funny, they're interesting. Look at it, it's really cool. It has 27 replies too. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the top and we're gonna go to deposit. So with this website, you can deposit as many PulseChain coins as you want. I do not have that many Pulse coins at all. I have 1,018 Pulse coins. What you can do is I can deposit the minimum that I can deposit, the minimum that I can give to the PulseChain protocol and have other people use it is 7,133 pulses. And that's worth about $1 right now, as you can see right here. It says minimum amount worth is about $1. I don't want to donate right now because right now all I have, as you can see up here, is all I have right now is 9,003 PulseChain. Okay? So let's read it together. How can I deposit? Well, freepulse.com, we only accept Pulse sent over the PulseChain network. You install, set up your MetaMask, which is what I already did. You buy some Pulse and you set it to, and then you send the Pulse to your MetaMask. So I can buy the Pulse from PulseX and then send it to my MetaMask, or I can buy the Pulse from eventually when the fiat on ramp comes and then send it to my MetaMask. and then I choose how much I want to deposit above. So this is how you choose how much you want to deposit. What is Pulse? Go to my website up here. Go to my video up here where I describe exactly what Pulse is. Where can I get Pulse? As of right now, the only place that you can get Pulse is actually right here at freepulse.com or freepulse.io. Keep in mind that this is just test Pulse. This doesn't have any real value. This is just for testing purposes. The rumors is that PulseChain is going to come out the middle of May. Woo! That's only like 3 weeks away from here. So it's going to be absolutely amazing. When will I get my balance? After one confirmation on the PulseChain network, it takes about like 5 to 15 seconds. It's very fast. This almost never takes longer than 10 seconds. Yeah. So a lot of times I've done it, it's taken like 3 seconds, but the longest it's taken is like 15 seconds. It's extremely fast. Where do I store my Pulse? You can store your Pulse on your MetaMask. You can store your Pulse in your Ledger wallet. But they're saying right here that they keep 10% of users' funds in a hot wallet called FP Treasury. This wallet is connected to the internet and is used to send users Pulse withdrawals. The other 90% are kept in a 2/4 multi-sig Gnosis Safe code wallet. This is the most popular multi-sig wallet. It means that multiple people have to sign this wallet in order for the funds to be released. Usually it's going to be yourself and then this free Pulse protocol that has to sign it to release your funds. But it's very safe. Don't worry about it. Is this a scam? This is a scam, right? No. When people get scammed, when people get scammed, I can't read today. When people get scammed, they yell really, really loud. They tell people everywhere that they got scammed by XYZ. Try to find anyone who's ever got scammed by freepulse.io. Yeah, you're not going to find it because everything is immutable. Everything is open. Everything can be seen on all the ledgers. It's really hard to scam people. It's almost impossible. Technically, mathematically, it's impossible to scam someone with cryptocurrency. The only people that get scammed are people that have a third-party layer on top of it. Let's say that Google starts running PulseChain transactions. The way you get scammed is if Google accidentally leaks out your password to someone. But the PulseChain network itself will never get hacked. It'll never get scammed. The Google that runs it on top of it could get scammed. Okay, so it's impossible to scam cryptocurrency. My deposit did not go through. Please contact the support to have a support team to go through. Why is it so complicated? Why not just accept credit cards? If you're asking this question, you should not be in cryptocurrency. If you're asking this question, watch my very first video that I ever made up here. And my haircut was really, really low, and I had a little baby face, but I was explaining the insides, the outsides of crypto and why it's absolutely amazing. But they say that Free Pulse.io was made in homage of PulseChain to bring adoption. We believe that cryptocurrencies are a superior payment system to credit cards. Instant, free, and trustless settlement is better than paying a 3% fee to some multi-billion-dollar credit card company every single time. Transacting with Pulse might seem complicated at first, but you'll get used to it quickly. It's true. Don't hesitate to ask for support, for help, blah, blah, blah. So what we're going to do is now we're going to go to withdrawal. So what I can do is actually I can withdraw So what I can do is I can try to withdraw some of my PulseChain from right here. All the PulseChain that Free Pulse holds for me is actually on the website. It's actually not on my MetaMask. I click on my MetaMask, I only have 1,118. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send, excuse me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send 1,082 Pulse to my MetaMask wallet, just to show you how it works. 1,082, right? So it can be exactly, can give me a real sexy number of 2,000. Okay? Well, yeah, that's it. Is my math correct? We're about to find out. Free Pulse says, blah, 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 send it to this address, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to send it to the address. So I only have 7,921 PulseChain coins left on this website, but when I look at my MetaMask, I now have 2,100 PulseChains. Okay, so my math is terrible, but you get the drift. See how instant that was? That was about like 5 seconds. That's how fast it is. Okay, so I can show the transaction. It goes to the PulseChain. It's kind of like Etherscan.io. This is called PulseChain.com, scan v2b testnet. Okay, remember this is the testnet. Nothing is official right now. Okay, so how can I withdraw my pulse? I just showed you how to withdraw the pulse. You don't need to read all that. Do I have to pay? Do I have to pay a fee? Do I have to pay a fee to withdraw? No, it's free. Yay! We cover all the transactions for you. And even if they didn't cover the transactions for you, the fee would be like 1/1000th of a penny. It's freaking insane. Now, this 1/1000th of a penny is not going to be super cheap forever and ever, but eventually it's going to be like, oh, you have to pay a fee or 2 cents. I mean, you have to pay a penny or 2 pennies to do a transaction like this. This is ridiculously amazing. Do I need to wager my balance before being able to withdraw it? No, as you can see, you don't have to do it. Can I withdraw my balance that I got from the hourly fee claim? No, you don't. Can I withdraw balance to promo code? Sure. Why is it so complicated? Again, this is cryptocurrency. Watch my channel if you want to know more about it. It is what it is. Okay, so now let's go to, let me move that up. Let's go to here. So my account is called BTC Bennett, which is like Bitcoin Benito, but a lot of the other names were taken. You can click on here, and your account, I've been using this account now for about 5 days. This is my little profile picture, and this is my website that I'm gonna put at the bottom. You can send me free PulseChain if you want to. I would greatly appreciate that. I've done 5 free claims already. There's games that you can play. I'm gonna show you these games tomorrow, or in another video. My biggest win that I've had from these games is 100 pulse chains, and my total wins has been about 524. Okay, so I just did a free claim here. Okay, it shows everything that I did. So this is April 19th, 2022 at 5:47 p.m. I just withdrew 1,082. Remember, I withdrew 1,082 and I sent it to my wallet. And then it's a PulseChain withdrawal. And then I played some games. I mean, sorry, I did the 1 PulseChain free claim every single time that you come in. I did play some games called MinesBet. I played some other games called Multiply Bet. Just a lot of fun stuff that I'm going to show you later. And then there's a referral program. I go to refer, and I can tweet it out. And I can tweet to my account. Either go to my dumb username account down here if you want to, or you can go to damn, it's not there. Okay, so my other account is BitcoinBenito.com. Okay, today I became a millionaire. Hey, that's gonna be me in a few months. 1 month when PulseChain comes out, we'll see. Then you can go to Telegram. I recommend that you do this on your phone because it's a lot better to use Telegram on your phone than to use it on a website. Then you can go to the Medium page where they describe everything. They give you lots and lots of details. They have a lot of entries. It's really good. You can see how they're really good. They're almost like a charity program that just really, really wants you to use PulseChain. And therefore, the more people that use PulseChain, the higher the likely that the entire ecosystem will flourish and will exist. There used to be websites like this that give you free Bitcoin, and they came out like 12 years ago, 13 years ago. Imagine every single time that you log onto this page, you get a free Bitcoin, or you could get like maybe what is it? You could get like between what's the page? Well, whatever that page was, you could win like 1 million Bitcoin if you wanted to. Every single time that you come on this page. Imagine if you have 1 million Bitcoin, the world would explode, right? But hindsight is 2020, so it doesn't really matter. Laugh now, cry later. Okay, so they also have a YouTube page that you can click and you can go to. The YouTube page is kind of interesting. It gives you the basics of how it works. Watch their YouTube page. Watch my YouTube page first. By the way, they only have 288 subscribers. I have way more. I have about 500 subscribers, and it's going to increase as time goes on. And then, of course, you can go to their support page. Their support page is through their Telegram. Again, use Telegram through the through your cell phone. Now, let me move this out the way to see how it works. Currently, the price for Pulse is $1 worth of Pulse is 7,133 PulseChain coins. Okay, and this is FP shares. Right now, I'm not really sure what. Oh, these are the pools that they were talking about earlier: the free carpet ride and the free pulsepool.com. I'm gonna have to look more into it, but I see that they have like volume multipliers, which is very similar to what was going on when we had the PulseChain sacrifice that was happening. And so far, this is the total amount of US dollars that have been collected so far for these free Pulse shares. About free Pulse. Free Pulse becomes a token on the PulseChain. Free Pulse has a fixed supply of 777 million units with no inflation ever. Very nice. No admin keys, time lock, fees, or taxes. Free Pulse can't be censored, is immutable, and consists of only 9 lines of code. What the hell? First of all, we would like to note that you cannot have any expectations of profits from the work of others. This is what the SEC wants you to do, so that you don't necessarily have to pay taxes when the people just donate these coins out. When people start these cryptocurrencies, they don't want you to have expectations from the works of others, because as soon as that happens, this automatically becomes a security, or it could become some type of stock too. Free Pulse could be tradable on PulseX. Well, sorry, if you don't know by now, Free Pulse is a type of coin that they're going to be coming out with when the PulseChain is released in mid-May. Cross your fingers, hopefully. And some entity might provide enough liquidity to ensure that the retail traders can trade without suffering from high slippage. The liquidity might be provided against a stablecoin like 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘦 or USDL. That's the liquid loans USD backed stablecoin, to ensure that Free Pulse doesn't dip when other cryptocurrencies do. This is called Hart's Law. Okay. They're estimating that it's going to come out about a month after the PulseChain mainnet comes, and you have a volume bonus of 2x. The dedicated phase length is 1 week. Okay, so what's the purpose of using this Free Pulse? Now, I'm not going to read all of this because this is going really long. I'm just going to read the first 4, and then we're going to end it. Okay, so Free Pulse might have some great features. You notice how they always say might, maybe, will, probably. This is for SEC rules. This is for banking and taxation rules. It might have great features. This list isn't any kind of guarantee. Do not expect Free Pulse to actually have these features, and do not expect profit from the work of others. They're saying the same thing again. Second, you can expect profit from the work of others, but they can't say it out loud. Free Pulse might get turned into a DAO in the long run, meaning whoever holds Free Pulse might have the possibility to vote on future features. The holders of large bags, multiple millions of Free Pulse, might get the opportunity to start new votes. In-house advantages such as lower house edge or the possibility to claim more Free Pulse every hour. 30% of the potential profits that Free Pulse can generate might or might not go towards the buyback program, meaning that some entity might buy supply from the open market and thereby push the price of Free Pulse towards the upside. This way, the constant buy pressure might get created. In case said entity really decides to buy Free Pulse on the open market, it might as well burn them to lower the total supply and make the token more scarce. The mechanic would make Free Pulse deflationary, meaning that any holder's proportional share of the total supply might increase after time. Now, this is just the first part. I might have to make 3 parts actually, because this is going on for so long. I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for my more videos. Let's get this money.